YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how to make a KMZ file on Google Earth Pro. First of all, we will open our software Google Earth Pro. Now we will search our project area like Sukhe Barat gold mine. After that, you will search you can see here the borehole location, also the boundary of the tailing dam at Sukhe Barat gold mine. You can also add the new placement at any location which you want to investigate. For example, we will put our pinpoint at this location. So you can see here the zone, easting and northing coordinates of this pinpoint. Give the name of this borehole number 2. We can also change its style and color. Can change the label color. You can see here the label color changes into green. Now I want to change icon color. You can see here the icon color changed. So we can also create a boundary of any area of interest. Can also change its color. So color of the infill boundary can change its opacity of 50%. You can see the feature inside your boundary. Okay, now we will create the KMZ of borehole 2 and the boundary which we marked. So right click on the mouse and go to the save places as. You can see here the KMZ format and you can select the location where you want to save this KMZ. So I want to save on desktop. Save. And you can also save the untitled polygon. You can give it the title, rename, tailing dam, the tailing dam area of the mine. So I change the name of the untitled polygon to tailing cam, and now we will make its KMZ. Also save it to the desktop. Save. In this way we can create a KMZ of our project area. I hope this helped you create KMZ file easily. Goodbye and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.